Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in SURAJ School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the formal printed invitation for school annual function. In my previous video, I told you about an example of formal printed invitation of marriage invitation. Okay. In today's video, now I am going to tell you about how to write school invitation. Okay, formal printed invitation for school. For this, there is a question. Look at the board. You are a student of ABC Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Okay, your school is going to organize its annual function. Okay, design an invitation card to be sent to the parents. Okay, this is the question. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. After that, you should try to write the answer according to the question. You are a student of ABC Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Your school is going to organize its annual function. Design an invitation card. Okay, to be sent to the parents. Now I am going to tell you about how to write school invitation card. Okay, when you will write any formal printed invitation, then you should follow all type of characteristics, all type of points which I have told you in my previous video about formal printed invitation. First of all, you should mention name of the host. For school invitation, you should write formal printed invitation for school in this way: the principal, staff and student of ABC Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Okay. After it, you should write request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the annual function of their school on Monday 27th July 2020 at 11 am on words. Okay. After that, you should write name of the chief guest. If there is no name of chief guest is given in the question, then you should write the name of chief guest according to your own ways. Siri, MM, Joshi, IS will be the chief guest and give away prizes to the students. Okay. After that, from the left side of the page, you should mention word RSVP. In my previous video, I told you about what is the full form of RSVP. In French, you can say that réponse s'il vous plaît, but in English, RSVP means response if you please. After that, you should mention the principal, ABC Senior Secondary School. After that, phone number. Okay, 9234567800. If there is no phone number is given in the question, then you can write any phone number according to your own way. Okay, if there is any phone number is given in the question, then you should write the same phone number which is given in the question. Okay, after that you should make a box. Okay. You always try to remember one point, that you should not mention with best compliment from all relatives and friends when you will write formal printed invitation for school. Okay, you can write with best compliment from all relatives and friends only when you will write formal printed invitation for marriage, birthday celebration, etc. Okay. In this invitation, I have followed the same rule which I have told you in my previous videos. You should start invitation from host. After that, you should mention occasion. After occasion, you should mention details. After details, you should mention contact details. Okay. If you want to get 3 out of 3, then you should follow all the rules which I have told you. Okay. In today's lecture, I have told you about an example which is based on formal printed invitation for school. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.